Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I am a UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience in this field. Today I am going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a certified UX design program by UXcel, and it's a UX design course. And if we go down, these are the companies certified with or partnered with, and these are the rules-based exam after completion of the course. Designer, UX designer, writer, product designer, and why choose UXL in terms of certification about UX. And if we go down, these are the testimonials and showcase your certification. And if we go down, these are the awards about the trusting, and these are the FAQs. And overall, it's a good course in terms of user research and UI. As it didn't mention any tools they are going to teach, uh, but overall, the fundamentals about the UX UI are good to have. And if we give a rating according to these parameters, it would give structure about 1, fundamentals also about 1. UI design quality is 0.5 for me because they are less focused on the UI part, more focused on the UX part. And hand-on project is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. Tools and software training, as it didn't mention, so I will not rate this, so it's a 0 for me right now. And mentorship and feedback is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. And portfolio development is not there, as it didn't mention any help in portfolio development. Placement and career support is there, so it's a 1 for me. Course and values fees is 0.5 for me. Like if you want to proper in terms of UX research, less UI part, you can pursue this course. Otherwise, you can skip this course if you want. And industry relevance update is also 0.5 for me. So it's a 5.5 for me course out of 10. Like it's an average course because many of things are missing in terms of UI fundamental or UI design quality, and also the tools are missing in terms of they are going to teach in UX UI fundamentals. There are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters related to UX UI, both terms and all the fundamentals. Also, I will add the best UX UI course link in the description. You can check out from there, which covers all the parameters given in the list, and also covers the fundamentals related to UX UI both, and also help you in mentorship and feedback, portfolio development, and also guide you in placement and career support after completion of course. So it's easy for you to grab a job or internship after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.